welcome back to the Crystallina Perspective. Y'all, it's been a long time since I have sat down and done a video, but we're gonna do that today. And I'm gonna try to do it in a fashion where it's quick, it's easy for me to edit, and it's quick for me to get it up to you guys. So for the past few months, I have been uploading my Ipsyglambag and Glambag Plus reveals on Instagram and TikTok, and I think I did a short over here on YouTube. Not really sure. But today we are going to hop into the Glambag and the Glambag Plus. Oh, that's a lot to say. What I will say is I'm using daylight. I'm trying to catch what daylight I have. I may have to upgrade to my ring light. Well, no, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Actually, let me just go on and I'm gonna grab my small ring light. Hey y'all, so that little ring light gave us a little bit more light so we can get through this. So I have been getting, I used to get Ipsy years ago, and I just got the Glambag because that was all that I could afford back in the day. Well, now life is a little bit better for me, praise you, Lord. So I've been able to splurge a little bit on myself, and I'm actually kind of happy that I've been doing it. Now, I will say, anytime you do any type of beauty subscription, you have to be cautious, and you have to understand that there's a risk that you're going to get repeat items. You're going to get items that may not necessarily work for your skin or skin tone. So it's like a gamble. But for the most part, I have been able to get a good combination of stuff that I can both use and both stuff that I can share with others through giveaways. So y'all, I have the Ipsy app up, and we're going to get into it. I'll tell you guys the prices first, and then we'll actually get into it. So Ipsy is something that's been hit and miss with a lot of folks. For me, like I said, the past 3 months I've been getting it have been great. I used to get it a long time ago in the past, and I had to stop because I was getting too many samples. But you know, now that I am, and at that time when I was getting Ipsy, I was an employee at Sephora. So we got something called gratis, which meant that every month you could expect to get different products from brand partners in the store. So a lot of times I had both sample and full size products from brands. So I really did not even need a subscription like Ipsy. But now that I'm out of the beauty realm, I am in healthcare. A lot of times I ain't got time to keep up with the trends. It's kind of like, you know, I work and check out what I can when I can type deal. And through bags like Ipsy, I am able to, you know, explore more. Now, there are other bags such as BoxyCharm and all of that. I don't have all of those. I just have Ipsy. I do Allure, but I skipped Allure for the month of October. And I do AIA Beauty Bundle because I love the idea of getting a collection from one brand. Sometimes I don't like mix and matching. I like to have the collection, but that's really it. I thought about more beauty brands, and then I do a Cocotique self-care subscription. I'm actually gifted that box, and I'll actually unbox that one on YouTube this month for you guys. So let's get into the Glambag. So the Ipsy Glambag, and this is just your regular smegular glam bag, retails for, I'm trying to pull it up. Okay, hold on. So the Ipsy Glambag, I get, okay guys, so I get the Glambag, I get the Glambag Plus, and I'm signed up for Glambag X. Now, next month is a Glambag X month, which is the month of November, which means that during that month, I will not get a Glambag Plus. Not really sure how I feel about that quite yet, because my last Glambag X that I got, I didn't even record a video because I was that pissed with my situation and what I got. But that's neither here nor there. So the Glambag retails for $13 a month plus taxes. And there is a $1.99 fee, a $1.99 fee. You can go annual if you choose to. I'm just nervous to do that because if any company start acting crazy, I want to be able to immediately cancel, period. immediately cancel. So I pay the $16 a month, which is really cool. The Glam bag is $28 a month plus tax and $1.99 shipping, which I think mine's come out to be like $32-ish. And then the Glam Bag X, like I said, in Glam Bag X months, you do not get the Glam Bag Plus. You just get the Glam Bag X, and you're supposed to be able to choose so many items. And in that month, you pay like $58 plus your tax and that fee. You don't have to pay for any shipping, but still. So let's get into it because I have rambled enough. So with the Glam bag, something that I did not get to experience when I had it years ago is that you get to choose one item each month. So this, you get the cute little bag like this, and I'll bring this up closer. You get to choose you get to choose one product out of the choice selections. And I try to do this pretty early because what I have learned is that if you don't do it early, things that you want will be gone. So as soon as they tell me I can do it, I do it as soon as I can do it. And I have been having really successful bags. So this month is all about Halloween. Each month you get these cute little bags. The bags last month were, the bags in August were really cute to me. They were like a floral theme. But these bags are really cute to carry like medicine in or whatever the case may be. This bag this month has obviously a spider web texture. It has the name on the back. It has a little bit of purple. I don't even want to uncover this, y'all, because I despise these things. But I'm going to open the bag and uncover it so I don't have to touch it. But here you go. There you go. That is what's on the bag for this month. I like the bags. I know there are a lot of people that are like, I hate the bags, but I actually like the bags. So let's get into my Glam bag for the month of October. Each month, Ipsy typically sends you a card, and they have like a shopping haul, Halloween, and it says ready to look drop dead gorgeous this month. I believe a pun was intended. And it says, welcome to Ipsy's Halloween, where we've conjured up everything you need for frightfully flawless skin and gallishly glam looks, all in a bewitching bag design you voted for. So apparently this design was maybe popular at some point. Don't get me the line on that because I don't know. But it probably was popular. Normally in the Glam bag, they have like little tips and stuff. Or they may have not tips, they have the items that were picked for your bag. But they don't this month. This month they just have 3 different celebrities of some type and dope makeup. And it says the Ipsyglambag picks are valued at $50+, which is why I have the app up, y'all, so we can know for sure. So it says, spooky yet stylish, this month bag possesses everything you need. Oh, and I already read that. Why am I reading that again? I'm special. So what was picked for me is the BFF Best Face Forward Clarifying Toner, AHA, BHA, HA, vitamin C. Good God, that's a lot. So this is a cruelty-free and vegan product right here. And let's learn about this particular product. It's a 20 ml deluxe sample. It's a toner. It says, introducing your new skin weapon in the fight against breakouts and blackheads. A combo of acid, salicylic, glycolic, and lactate helps stop breakouts before they start by helping to minimize excess pores and dissolve trapped gunk in your pores. Then nourishing cinnamides, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C help keep your skin bright and hydrated, not clogged long term. So this brand specializes in clean, effective skincare to target and support blemish-prone skin and breakouts so you can put your best face forward. So I'm excited to try this. I'm not going to open it just yet because I do have a ton of skincare going, but that is what it looks like. So that's cool. So let's head back The next item that I see is the Elf Cosmetics Big Mood Mega Volume and Lifting Mascara. This is the Hourglass Brush, which is oh so fancy to me. I haven't had any good Elf products, and I mean all their products are good, but I haven't had any in a minute. It's been a minute since I've shopped. It says one coat of this smooth, creamy mascara formula is enough to bring on flirty, fanned lashes. 2 coats and everyone would think you're wearing false lashes. Whichever route you take, the infusion of jojoba wax will help hold the look all day. This is a full-size product that retails for $7, which is dope because we're halfway to the price of our bag. So I'm excited about that particular product, and we still have 3 other products, y'all. So I'm just telling you, for your list $16, you get a little bit. So the next item is the Kinder Beauty lip scrub. I actually really like this brand. They are a clean beauty brand. Now guys, I don't just shoot for clean beauty brands or anything like that. It's just so happened I just love them. So this is nice and sealed, but this is the Kinder Beauty lip scrub, and it looks like it doesn't have a flavor or scent or anything. So it says, say goodbye to dry, chapped, and peeling lips with this gentle exfoliating lip scrub. You'll be left with pillowy, soft lips that make even the driest matte lipsticks look velvety smooth. This is a full-size product. It is 4 ounces. It retails for 20 bucks, y'all. That's the cost of the bag. We at $27. It's a win. A win is a win. That's it. So I'm not going to open this. It does have a seal on it. I don't know if y'all can really see that. Right now, I am using a lip scrub from Tree Hut, which I purchased from Ulta. So we're going to save this because your girl love a dope lip. So we are going to move on. Trying to see what's next up in here. So the next item is the Kapori Beauty Ultra Restore Body Butter with Hyaluronic Acid. Y'all, if there's anything about me, I love a good body butter, body scrub, body whip, body soap, body. I'm stupid. Anyway, y'all, so this is a 1 ounce deluxe sample. It's a body butter. It says, who doesn't want buttery soft skin? Thanks to this whipped body butter, your skin will be smoother than you've ever imagined without being greasy. It's packed with hydrating hyaluronic acid, coconut oil, and antioxidant rich plant extracts to deeply moisturize and help protect. So I am super excited about this here. Is it open? Like, is it a seal on this? It is. There is a little seal situation. I don't have my best ring light right now, but so that is item number 4. So far 2 full-size products and 2 deluxe samples. I ain't mad at that at all because the Glam bag is essentially a it's a sample bag, but I have 2 full-size products. So I'm happy with that. And last but certainly not least, y'all, this is the item that I picked. I'm so excited I picked it because I was nervous I wasn't gonna pick it. It's a palette. And the reason why I was nervous I wasn't gonna be able to pick it was because I really thought it was gonna sell out, but it didn't. Praise the Lord. So this is the Glam Babe eyeshadow palette by Trend Beauty. Now, I have never heard of this brand. It's a ton of brands I never heard of, y'all. It's been a long time since I have been in beauty anything, but that's okay. That is okay. So this is the Glam Babe Trend Beauty eyeshadow palette. It retails for $12.50. So once again, we're over our retail value. There is a mirror in here. Like, whoop, there we go. And these colors are gorgeous. Like, y'all, look at this. Hold on. There. Look at these colors, y'all. So it says right here, get gorgeous and glam with 15 bold and vibrant shades and matte and shimmery finishes that are perfect for the fall. From warm neutrals and earth tones to vivid pinks and pastel purple, this palette is all play all day. And it's curated, this brand is curated by a team of LA creatives Trend beauty is inspired by your favorite celebs, creators, and places. Each product is one of a kind, meaning you'll be wearing it first. This is dope. Let's watch some of these. I already made the executive decision that I'm going to come back to do the Glam Bag Plus because I don't want these videos to be stupid long. This is Hollywood. Look at, oh, yeah. First off, this eyeshadow is super buttery. I love that. So this color is called, oh, I didn't even get to swatch it. Oh, that's Hollywood, y'all. Wow. Wow. Y'all. Oh! The next color is called High Martini. I'm not going to swatch all of them, but baby, we got to swatch a few. Look at that. High Martini. OMG. Y'all, put me in, coach. Like, seriously. Put me in. Put me in there, coach. Y'all, I'm in heaven. And this palette is only $12.50. Now I got to go to their website. Okay, I'm going to go in for the color. Let's see. What other? Let me see. Let's go in for this color here. This color is called Chic. So on camera, I think it was looking blue, but it's actually a purple. It's a purple color. Let's see right here. Okay. And y'all see I'm doing one swatches, like, and then we are going to try, let's try a matte color. Because you know, sometimes the shimmers can be busting, but the mattes can be like, Let's see. We're gonna dig into Saucy. Yeah, Saucy is a matte. I'm gonna dig into that. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Okay, it's like a burgundy matte. I thought it was brown. Like I said, right now I am not having the best of lighting, but baby. Let me go on with Charisma. I need a matte, and this one is brown. This one is brown. Let's see. Let's go in between here. Okay, come through. So I paid $16 and some change. I don't really know. I'll flash it or something. And in that $16 and some change, I was able to select a dope palette. Now, some people are probably complaining about the packaging because I'm gonna be honest, the packaging, you know, it's not my favorite. But the thing is, it's not real to me. It's not about the packaging. It's about if the product works. This right here, this eyeshadow palette, $12.50. It's a steal. Then we ended up getting 2 deluxe size products. We got the BFF toner. We got the Kapori body butter. Then we got 2 full size products in this joint. We got the e.l.f. Big Mood mascara, and we got a Kinder Beauty lip scrub. You can't beat that. Now, I'm not saying each month is this great, but what I am saying is that there is potential to be great. This is my Ipsyglambag bag for the month of October 2022. I'm ringing in the birthday real good, y'all. My birthday is 10/26, so I am super excited about the things that I got for this month. Stay tuned, y'all, because the big kahuna is coming. Well, not the big kahuna. The big kahuna is the X. But the Glam Bag Plus, I did pick up some add-ons, y'all, for the month of October because I just had to have them. So if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment, most importantly, subscribe. Go check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And until next time, y'all have a dope day.